Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So the first video I made was how I do my mayonnaise, and now I am going to make like a mock tuna right there. So I cook some chickpeas, and with that chickpea I use it to make some chickpea burgers. And I'm using the rest now to make this is going to be for a dip to use with vegetables, or to make a sandwich, or to, you know, the raw crackers that I make. You could use the raw crackers also to eat this. So like I said, Simple Life, I cook the chickpeas. I soak them overnight, and then I cook them, and then I use this masher to mash them up. I could have put it in the Vitamix or the food processor, but I wanted to use it like this to get it to this consistency. But you could use the food processor to mash it up. So now with that, I have here some coconut oil, and I had put some garlic in there by mistake. And in here I have some pimento. Well, the garlic was supposed to go in something else, and I put it in there. And then I put some pimento pepper in here, and I have some sweet pepper in here like that. Hold on, let me take this out so that I don't have an interruption there. And then I have some celery. Let's leave back some just in case. And here I have some cut up scallions. So I put the onion powder and the garlic powder because those are better to not be seen. It makes the flavor comes together in this dish much better. Simple Life, you don't have to put this much, but I like to put it because it really, when you put this much onions, scallions, if you have onions, you could, if you prefer that, you could put that. But I like to put a lot of seasoning in things so that when you're putting them together, massaging them together, it will coat your food and let it and it allow the taste to absorb better. And with the coconut oil that I put, see what it does here. With the coconut oil that I put, it helps it to take on the taste better also. Simple Life, you can use organic chickpea in the can, but we use the can as less as possible. If you are going to use a can, make sure when you open it, you pour it out in some boiling water and let it stay in the boiling water, because remember, it's sitting there in the can, number one. Number two, it has sodium on it, so you have to let it go in some hot water, drain it off, and wash it off before you use it. So here now, after I put all these things and massage them in, I'm going to go ahead now and put that homemade mayonnaise that I made last week. So see how nice and thick it is? And you just work that in now. So all of this.
This is what you used to make when we go on road trips?
Yes.
Yes, it's bringing back memories.
So Simple Life, this is what I would normally do whenever we're going on road trip, as my husband there suggests. And when we used to eat, either we bring the bread, or he has this favorite cracker that we used to buy. What was the name of the cracker, sweetie? Ritz. You love it with the Ritz cracker, but we haven't had that for so long anymore. So look at it now, Simple Life. I can go ahead and put a little bit more just to get that, make sure it has that, oops, that nice, creamy. So look at this Simple Life. And all of this is from chickpeas with homemade mayonnaise. And then it has the celery and the pepper, the pimento pepper and the sweet pepper, and it has the garlic and the onion. I wish I could taste it. Simple Life. I'm doing this I'm doing this thing where I cannot eat right now. So sweetie, are you gonna taste it again for me,
I
please?
certainly will. Bring it back to memories here.
Yeah, so here it is, Simple Life. Oh my gosh. So let's put it in one of these.
Can I have my piece of bread?
Oh, okay. Okay, 1 second, Simple. I was gonna make a sandwich with this, but okay. Because you asked, I will. This bread, we made this bread today. So let's see. Okay, took it out before time because, so just go ahead and put it on there. Just need a taste, right? You don't need too much.
Who said that?
Oh, before we do that, put this on it first, just to make sure you have a nice, rich taste. Wow.
Yeah, certainly bringing back memories.
Wow, look at that. Here you go.
Thank
I wish you could see him taste it, Simple Life.
Oh, you guys hear me? This is good.
Can you hear the bread? I have to give you the recipe, Simple Life, at some point. But I just want to show you how you can make this. You just go ahead, put your mayonnaise on, like so, and put your lettuce. So this is the chickpeas. Put lots of lettuce. This is the chickpea burger, but I have to show you the recipe. Or this can be done Simple Life even for Sabbath morning breakfast. You do this on Friday, and so you know, come Sabbath, you don't have to be worried. Isn't this nice? Oh, I really wish. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without eating and tasting. Oh man. And if I was gonna have this Simple Life, I would sprinkle more onions and more celery on it. This is how I like to have my. I did this as if I was eating it. I know you wouldn't want it like this, really, but you know, yeah, I do things in abundance like that. And then here you are, Simple Life. How beautiful is this? You know? So this is healthy food. I made the chickpea from scratch for myself, by myself, you know, and I make the bread. So here you go. So Simple Life, I just wanted to come here and to make these just to show you how you can eat healthy, how you can cook your own and make, you know, and as Dennis said, it brings back memories when we were going on road trips, when the children were younger. These are the things that I would do and put them in the igloos, and then I would separate everybody's own with their own cracker or whatever they would eat with it. And, you know, good times, good food, good times. So I pray that and hope that you will too make this and come back and let me know what you think. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. God bless. Until next time.
Amen.